Today we're going to do a packing video. We are 5 days from leaving for Disney World. So excited. And I just wanted to go through all my stuff that I pack for when we go on Disney vacations. This is mainly for my bag, but also there is stuff that I take for the rest of my family in my bag, because we do pack separate bags for each person. So just a little bit of background. We are going to Disney for 6 nights. In October, we will be doing the Halloween party. So I do have extras like that I'm packing for our costumes, extra pieces. So there's some extra stuff, but we're mainly going to go through like the basics, like the necessities that I normally always go to Disney with. So I pretty much have everything laid out on the bed. I have it really organized because that's how I am, but I will sit down and go through different outfits and show you the outfits that I've picked out. I do outfits by the park that we're in, so I have a spreadsheet on my computer that tells me, you know, what parks we're going to be in and which days. We do park hopper. That way we aren't limited to one park. But normally I dress up my family for the first park that we're going to be in for that day. So when we go through the outfits, I'll definitely let you know which outfit that I have picked for which park. So let's get started. So here is all of my stuff that I have packed. Now, it's not all of it. I will quickly show you. There's some extras. That's mainly Halloween party stuff though for our costumes, but a little bit extras. So here, this first, you know, I always pack 2 pairs of tennis shoes. If you've been on my blog and gone through like the essentials of what you should take to Disney World, I always suggest taking 2 pairs of shoes. So there are my 2 pairs of tennis shoes, and you can tell they are very similar. These are my diehard favorite ones, my mini ones, but they are no longer in stock. So I did have to go with just the regular basic New Balance, but they are still awesome. Went with a neutral color this year. I always take a pair of flip-flops, just, you know, for the resort time, walking to and from the, you know, the pool, if we do the pool in the evenings or whatever. Here I do have magic bands in here, extra magic bands for everybody. Here are our belt bits to kind of help mainly keep the kids' magic bands on their hands. Poncho, you never want to go to Disney without a poncho. So there's that. The reason why this outfit is kind of singled out is because this is travel day outfit. So this is what I will wear when we travel to Disney. We got the girls this year some glow sticks, bracelets, and necklaces. Just, you know, that way we don't have to buy them in the park. Definitely a lot cheaper. You can see it was 98 cents for 8 of them. So much cheaper than trying to get them at the park. So here are some extra outfits, extra t-shirts for me. You can see that I have leggings. You know, if it gets cool in the evening, we are going at the end of October, so it does get a little bit cooler. Not, you know, not real cold, but a little bit cool in the evening. So I always take some leggings, just extra t-shirts. You never know what might happen. Then my pajamas, of course, always have Disney themed, but we can go into those more detail. Always Disney themed. Then I always take sweatshirts. Can't go without a sweatshirt, especially early morning stuff. If we're doing anything early in the morning, trying to do the, you know, early extra magic hours, it might be a little bit cool in the morning. So Definitely take a couple of those, or in the evenings around the pool when we let the girls swim. Here's another one, Pluto, super cute sweatshirt. Here, I'll show you guys this because it's just adorable. It's actually from H&M. I think it is so cute, but that's little Pluto. And then this is very similar to that first one I showed you. They're just basic sweatshirts. Also got them from H&M as well. I actually have found some very cute items at H&M recently that are Disney themed, and so that's pretty much my wardrobe this time is from H&M. So let's see, what else do I have? So I have all my ears. I do have more over in my suitcase because this great bag actually does not hold all of the ears. But you got to remember, I am packing ears for 6 days for 6 females. And you know, a girl's got to have her ears that match her outfit. So we've got to have options. These, you probably can tell that these 4 bags, see-through bags, all match. I will list a link in the description as where you can find them. I got them on Etsy. I absolutely love them. I have used them for every single Disney trip we've gone on. So I will definitely link that down in the description. So this one is makeup. Not all my makeup, of course, but I use a lot of it still, so I can't pack it until it's go time. But you'll see I have fake eyelashes. Yes, I don't wear them on a daily basis, but I do wear them every day in Disney. I don't know why. I think it just makes it more fun, more magical. I love the way it looks on me. So when we're in Disney, Mama's got fake eyelashes. So Band-Aids next. We always have to go to Disney with Band-Aids, and you know what? You can't go to Disney without Disney-themed Band-Aids. I mean, that's just crazy. Plus, it's more fun for the kids if they have to have one. Detangler for the girls, always have to have that. Ibuprofen, that's what my kids take if they have a fever or whatever, so you always want to have that on hand. Here is all my toiletries for my husband and myself. Pain medicine, makeup remover wipes, toothbrush, toothpaste, medicine, soap. These are all the goodies in there, all the essentials. And of course, that's going to differ for everybody, but those are my essentials. This year, we're actually going to go with a autograph book that we already have. And I got this in one of my mystery Mickey boxes this year. So that's going to come in handy this year. Always have to take cotton balls, and you can see my shower caps because I do not wash my hair every day. It's hard on my hair, so I don't wash it every day. So coming with that comes with my dry shampoo. This is my absolute favoriteest dry shampoo. Will not go anywhere without it. I normally get it from TJ Maxx because you can get the large bottle for so much cheaper than you can get it anywhere else. Always take an extra pair of sunglasses. You can see that these are my Mickey sunglasses. Diaper wipes, we always take diaper wipes. I have another pack in my suitcase, but we do pack those in the bag every day for the parks. Next, you'll see a lint roller. We have animals in our house, so you never know when we get down to Disney World, we might show up with hair on us. So pack a lint roller, get rid of that. So next, here's my pile of clothes. Doesn't look like a lot, but I do have mostly shorts and t-shirts, so there's not a lot of fabric there. But we're going to go into those in more detail, so let's get started. Okay, so the first outfit we have is Star Wars. So we've never worn Star Wars clothes at Disney before, but, you know, there is the new Star Wars Galaxy's Edge land, and we're all going to get our fix this year, become probably the biggest Star Wars fans after we see the land. So this is my outfit that I chose for our day in Hollywood Studios. These jean shorts are from American Eagle. Absolutely love them. They are high rise, kind of like the, mom jeans from the 90s. Paired it with the Star Wars t-shirt, and I actually got it from Five Below, $5. Couldn't beat it. Paired it with a pair of just basic mini ears with the white bow. I feel like that, kind of is a mix between a stormtrooper and Darth Vader, right? So let's go move on to the next one. Okay, next outfit is my grape soda shirt that I got from Hot Topic. I will most likely wear this to the Magic Kingdom. It's such a cute little shirt, and from the movie Up, and I paired it with another pair of mom jean shorts. These jean shorts are actually from H&M. And actually, you know what? As I was doing this, laying this outfit out, I realized I did not have a pair of ears that were really specifically for this outfit. But I did pair it with the white bow again, only because of the white shirt. So maybe when I'm in Disney World, I might find me a pair of up ears. So maybe I'll make that my goal. But this is, just kind of relaxed outfit. Just, I'm really subtle when it comes to wearing cartoon character clothing or Disney clothing. But when I'm in Disney, I go all out. I dress the part. So that's why I chose this. I think it's adorable, but still subtle to kind of go with my style. So let's move on to the next one. Here is another outfit that I will wear to Magic Kingdom. Yes, we go to Magic Kingdom a lot. That is one of our favorite parks. So, I dress the part for that a lot. Plus, it's just Mickey, kind of subtle Mickey really shirt that I can wear to any park because Mickey's at, all the parks. So this one is another shirt that I got from Hot Topic. And yes, I'm sorry, I am that person that buys new clothes and I do not wash it before I wear it. I think it just changes the feel and the look of it. It doesn't look, new anymore. So if I'm wearing it for the first time, and I'm also that person that buys new shirts for each of my Disney trips. So yes, that's me, guilty, sorry. But here is another shirt from Hot Topic. Just paired it with a basic pair of black shorts and just simple Minnie Mouse ears with a red bow. So there's that outfit for Magic Kingdom. Okay guys, I'm making this next outfit a surprise because it is my absolute favorite. Here you go. It is Dumbo. Big Top Circus all out. So I wore these shorts over the summer for the 4th of July, and my brother was like, that looks like the Big Top Circus tent. And I was like, oh my gosh, that will be perfect for my trip in October. And I found this adorable little Dumbo shirt at Kohl's. And you know what? Oh, I just love this outfit. So I paired it with these gold ears with a red bow because I think it goes well. It goes with Dumbo's hat, which is kind of, a mustardy gold color. And of course the red matches the shorts. So this will definitely be an outfit that I wear to the Magic Kingdom, of course. And I will definitely have to get a picture in front of Dumbo Ride, which is my daughter's favorite. So I'm sure we'll ride that a couple times even. Here is my next outfit that I chose for Epcot. Just, a soft jersey Mickey Mouse tee. It's got a little bit of light pink behind the white, and put it with just a basic pair of white shorts. And to bring out that little bit of pink, I have put it with a pair of pink Minnie Mouse ears. I think it'll be a perfect little outfit just to wear to Epcot, relax, and enjoy food and wine. Here is my outfit for Animal Kingdom. I felt like these shorts were like like an animal print, zebra print, so that would be perfect. And I found this adorable, just basic Hakuna Matata shirt off of Amazon. I mean, I'll list that link also in the description because it was super inexpensive, just a basic cotton tee, and I think it just goes perfect for these shorts and being in Animal Kingdom. So because this, this color in these shorts is kind of like a peachish, rose goldish, I had chose my rose gold Minnie Mouse ears to put with this outfit for when we go to Animal Kingdom. Now, I will tell you, I have a couple more outfits that I want to go through. You're probably like, hello, lady, you said you were only going to be there for 6 days. You don't need 8 outfits. Well, we do the park hopper, so maybe after one day in Animal Kingdom, we decide to go somewhere else that evening. I need to change my outfit. A girl has to have options. We know this. So let's check out our last 2 outfits. Okay, so for the last 2 outfits, this one is just a basic Mickey shirt, little pocket tee. It already came tied up, which I think is super cute. Black and white striped shorts. And you've probably noticed, okay, you have so many of these like balloon leg shorts. You know what? I love them. They're comfortable. And when in Disney, you might need a breeze. So Pair that with classic mini ears with the red and white polka dot. And then for the final outfit that I have, I can't go to Disney without a Jack Skellington shirt. I mean, it's Halloween time, you have to have it. So found these adorable Jack Skellington ears on Jane. I will also link that down in the description. Just put it with a pair of linen shorts. That way they're loose, comfy, makes for great walking around in the parks all day long. So if you have any questions on any of these outfits, shirts, shorts, anything, please leave me a comment. I will do my best to get back to you and let you know where I've found it. But that is how I pack. That is the outfits I put together. I based them on the parks that we're in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is actually probably one of the favorite ones that I've done, just because I really take a lot of time in packing and picking out our outfits. So I really hope you have enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions, definitely leave a comment below and I will try to let you know where I get everything. If y'all are interested, I could do a kids video on outfits that I pick out for my kids, or even my husband. I always pick out him Disney shirts. Yes, I make him wear Disney shirts too. So if you would be interested, let me know. Make sure to subscribe the button. Hit the subscribe button. Man, I can't talk today. And y'all have a great day. See ya.